Hey, what's good, YouTube family? Jerry here. I wanted to share with you guys a payment I just received in the mail yesterday from my Phase 10 program. This is the flyer that you get when you join the Phase 10 program. It was created by Mr. Lon Lindsay out of Florida. But I wanted to share with you what I got. This is the check I got today, made out to me. This check's for $17. I got a sign up, and this is the little letter that comes with your sign up. But I'm really excited about it. If you're interested in joining my Phase 10 program, click on the link below this video and read, educate yourself, read about it. And if it sounds like something that you want to get involved in with me, then click on the link, sign up, use my code. It's going to be in there. And I'd love to have you on my team. And but I just wanted to share this with you. It's not going to be a long video, a fancy video, anything like that. Once again, I'd like to thank Mr. Lon Lindsay for creating Phase 10. Simple, easy program to do. Flyers online. You can advertise online, make videos, Instagram, Facebook. You can mail out flyers, whatever you want to do, and get paid to do it. It's pretty simple. But I just wanted to share that with you. Hope to see you on my team soon. Click on the link below this video. Check out Phase 10. And I'll be seeing you later. Take care. Bye-bye.